going to be opening FIFA cards. Oh, crashes, that's good. Got my cat here. He wants to eat my breakfast. You can't. I'm sorry. You've got your own breakfast downstairs. You have. Don't lie to me and say you ate it. Okay, today we're just going to open 10 packs, maybe, and see what we get. It is taking a while to look. Oh, never mind. So, play. First one's going to be good. Oh, new. Who's that? Gamma. Okay. At least I got him. I got Marshall as well. That was a good pack. Starting off with a good one. I'm not really looking for good players, just looking for new ones. Oh, World Cup. Okay. Good. Germany again. Wow, we got a lot of Germans. Hey, kitty cat. Don't do it. No steal. Okay. Cat's still trying to steal my breakfast, man. Sweden, hey, that's where I'm from. Alright, Portugal, nice. Not so nice. Copy that. Oh. How many packs have we done? I don't know. Just keep going. That's alright. There. Maybe last one, this. One more, I guess. Oh, I thought I was going to be Buffon, and I was like, ooh. Torre. It's not Yaya Torre, right? No, it was Man City when he like retired, didn't he? Oh no, it's my cat. Oh. Ah. Okay, that's all we got for today.